As a pharmacist, the Infectious Diseases Institute has given me various opportunities to contribute to patient safety. As a member of the Patient Safety Committee, I also sit on the Pharmacovigilance Committee within the clinic. Pharmacovigilance essentially means that even when drugs have been released from clinical trials, we still need to continue watching our patients to make sure that there are no side effects happening to them that were not captured during the clinical trials. Many of us have had stories of drugs that after being introduced, including the famous thalidomide drug that when it was introduced on the market, it was later on established that it caused malformations to the baby if the mother took the drug when she was pregnant. So pharmacovigilance is a way of ensuring that even when drugs are released, we still ensure that our patients are safe as they take them. On the Antibiotic Stewardship Committee, I support to come up with strategies to ensure that antibiotics are used in the right way in the clinic. Antibiotic resistance, meaning that antibiotics no longer work as they are, is one of the biggest threats we have, and it is in the world. It's considered a global health security threat, just like we have emerging infections like COVID, which are also considered. If antibiotics are not used carefully, they will become the leading cause of death by 2020 in the world. So we have to ensure that antibiotics are used both by the clinicians and also by the patients. IDI has at its core employee and health worker safety. We have been engaged in numerous trainings to ensure that we understand how to maintain our safety from infections. We've been trained in infection prevention and control, and this started way before COVID. We are very fortunate that we have a global health security department that has ensured these measures are put in place, and trainings are done for staff, both those at the front line and those who work indirectly with patients. If we are safe, then we can trust that we will not pass on infections to our patients as well. Every day when we come to the clinic, we are screened to ensure that if we have symptoms, we are given the appropriate care. We are screened, we are given the right material that we need. Those working at the front line with patients will get the necessary protective equipment required of them. Those who do not work directly with patients will also be advised on the right materials, including the kind of masks that they should be using to avoid infection with COVID, as well as passing on infection if they have contracted COVID. IDI has really put a lot of emphasis on ensuring that the staff, both at the front line and away from the front line, are protected. And we are grateful, and we think this is a model that can be used